we'll be running keys across the board. We will identify one key and then show 3 different positions that we can play the same key. And we start from C. And after playing it, we will now demonstrate why the choice of any position. You are welcome. We'll start with a C. This is our first position of C. This is second position of C. And this is our third position of C. This is our C. Why do we play here as C? It's because this is A, this is A sharp, B, this landed in C. And feel the sound. Okay? Why do we play here as C? It's because this is E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and this falls in C. Now, feel the sounds. C, C, C. Now we try D. This is D. This is D. This is D. Why this is D? Why is this D? Because this is A sharp, B, C, C sharp, and this is D. Why is this D? Because this is E, F, G, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, and this is D. We'll play E now. This is our E. This is another E. And this is another E. So, why is this E? Because this is D, D sharp, this is E. Are we together? Please, for those who have not subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel for more of these exercises. And do not miss out, because we'll start after this exercise. We'll be combining to see how to combine all these keys, and you can't miss it. So we have our F here. This is F. This is F. This is F. So we have F, We have F. We have F. Why F here? Because this is E and this is F. Simple. The difference is just that this one is sharper. It's the upper F. So we have G. This is our G. This is our G2. This could also be G. It's at because this is E, F, G. O, G. Oh, we also have another G here because this is D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp. This is G. So we have G here, G, and G. Actually, we have even given 4 different positions for this. All right. So we go to the next key, A. This is our A. This is another A. And this is another A. Why do we have an A here? By now I should explain. I should be able to explain that now. Because this is our E, F, G, G sharp. This is our why do we have another A here? It's because this is D, D sharp, E. This is F, F sharp, and this is our A. It can still even be more complicated, but that is just no. You see, this is our A. This is another A. This is another A. Then B. This is A sharp, A sharp. This is B. So this is our B. This is B position. This is another B here. And then this is another B. This is another B. And then this B, look at it. We have the finger here, first finger here, second here, third here, and fourth here. So that brings us back to our C again. Yes. So let's just do a little exercise. Let's combine this C, F, and G together and see. C, F, G. Back to C. Let's try a different position. C, F, G. Let's try a different position again. C, C, F, G, C. F, G. Let's experiment this song with different positions of playing the same keys. And basically, we are going to use C, F, C, G. C, F, C, G. C, F, C, G. C, F, C, G. Jesus is a mighty God. He's a mighty. Jesus is a mighty God. He's a mighty. Every nation bow before him. He's a mighty. Every nation bow before him.